Welcome to Lyra Tech. Today, we're taking a closer look at the ASUS TUF A15 gaming laptop, a powerful gaming machine that packs solid performance in a rugged, durable design. Check out the link in the description for the best price. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7 7435HS processor, delivering strong multi-core performance for gaming, streaming, and content creation. Paired with the GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, you get solid 1080p gaming performance with support for features like DLSS and ray tracing, making your games look even better. The 15.6 Full HD display runs at 144 Hz, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or open-world RPGs, the higher refresh rate makes a big difference in fluidity and immersion. For storage and memory, the ASUS TUF A15 comes with 8GB of DDR5 RAM and a 512GB PCIe SSD. While 8GB of RAM is fine for most games, upgrading to 16GB might be a good idea for more demanding multitasking. The SSD ensures fast boot-up times and quick game loading, so you spend less time waiting and more time playing. Another great feature is Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, offering faster and more stable internet speeds, perfect for competitive online gaming. Plus, the laptop runs on Windows 11, optimized for gaming and productivity. Pros: smooth 144 Hz display for a better gaming experience. Powerful Ryzen 7 processor for multitasking and gaming. RTX 3050 GPU handles most modern games at 1080p. Durable build quality with military-grade toughness. Fast SSD storage for quick load times. Cons: 8GB RAM may need an upgrade for heavier multitasking. RTX 3050 is entry-level for ray tracing, so settings may need adjustments. Overall, the ASUS TUF A15 is a solid choice for gamers looking for a powerful yet affordable laptop with a high refresh rate display. It delivers great performance, strong build quality, and future-proof features like Wi-Fi 6 and DDR5 RAM. If you're interested in grabbing one, check out the link in the description for the best price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.